The power station is delivered in pre-manufactured standard ISO containers to the installation site where it is assembled on the client's foundation. The following computer animation and video will give you an impression of how simple and easy it is to assemble the power station. The power station consists of two 40-foot containers, the initial unit, and two further 40-foot containers, plus 5 20-foot containers, the main unit. The roof, radiators, and steelwork are packed in standard freight containers. The silencer in an ISO rack and the genset complete the power station. First, the medium voltage container is placed on leveled bottom plates. If necessary, these plates must be readjusted. The second container with the gas train and intercooling circuit and its connections follows. Containers are connected to each other with the aid of angle plates. Next, the auxiliary container is positioned. It is equipped with the engine cooling and lube oil cooling system. Also, the engine and auxiliary control systems are installed in this container. The first container circle is completed by an inlet air container. Now all 4 containers are adjusted to each other. For later installation of the genset, the inlet air container must be removed. Next, the supply container is placed on the medium voltage container. There is a seal against heat and noise emissions between the containers. Twist locks connect the containers to each other. All remaining containers are positioned in this manner. After container positioning, the supporting structure for the roof, ventilation system components, and working platforms are installed. Afterwards, the roof is fixed on top of the supporting structure. Next, the radiators are mounted on the roof. The genset is placed in the engine room. Now all piping is installed between the containers as well as between the containers and the genset. Flexible pipes for cooling water and lube oil are cut to length and are installed. The engine room is completed by positioning all three inlet air containers. At the same time, the wiring of the containers and genset is installed. Finally, the power station is completed by installing the silencer with the step. Now the power station is complete and all circuits are installed, ready for startup. Modular power plant consists of up to 6 units per power station and allows an early startup due to an optimized construction time. With the modular power plant, we offer flexible, comprehensive plant concept, from gas processing to plant control to cold and heat extraction.